Welcome back. So, I hope you would have gone through our day 3 video where we were talking about animation, graphic, and visual communication. So, today in the day 4, we would be talking about architecture and planning. So, let's have a look on that. So, moving ahead with architecture and planning. So, as we all know that when we talk about architecture, one thing which comes into our mind is building, building home, towns, and everything like that. So yes, it has relation directly with the infrastructure and everything. So let's have a look at that and what we have. So architecture and planning, basically architecture work is, can be anything like building home, building roads, building sites, building malls, or any such thing. In fact, we can also include into that the landscape planning and so on. So when we would be discussing about the specialization, we'll surely discuss about that. Now, types of courses. Here in this particular career, we don't have vocational courses. You have, if you have interest in, architecture and planning, then you will have to take a full-time degree course. There are no vocational courses for architecture. So make sure that you make the right decision at right time when you want to enter into architecture and planning. Now, talking about specialization. So we have the following specialization into this: architecture, landscape architect, construction and infrastructure, planner, design engineer, urban and regional planner. Now again, under this is a broad specialization. Now if you go deeper into that, you will find many other super specialization in each of these categories. All right, so depending upon your interest and depending upon what you are looking for in your career, you can surely choose your specialization and super specialization. Subject requirement in this particular area is computers, not because you have to deal a lot of technically computers, but yes, nowadays you have to make a lot of designs or a lot of plans over computer. So having a computer knowledge is a must nowadays if you want to enter into architecture and planning. Other than that, you have to have physics, chemistry, and maths. Maths is the most important subject in this particular stream. Next comes working environment. So in this particular area, as we have already discussed, this particular career cluster generally deals with infrastructure planning and buildings. So you have to work indoor to prepare plan, but other than that, most of the times you have to stay outdoor on various sites. So that may also include long working hours for yourself, and this would be mostly project based works कि अगर एक project हो गया, then you have to move ahead and check out for the other project. Next is social. Yes, you have to be socially sound and you have to be, you must have that skill of interacting with people and managing people. Challenging and innovative, yes, these are, you have to use your creative mind in preparing plans and designing things. So you have to work all the time and keep yourself on toes as far as innovation and challenging is concerned. Other than that, you have to work in teams, so you should have those leadership qualities and teamwork qualities as well. Other than that, let's talk about the competencies required for this particular career cluster. That would include problem solving, critical thinking, fluency of ideas, artistic, originality, reasoning, creative mind, challenging, realistic, spatial ability, visualization, creative designing, technical designing, and drawing. So other than these important skills, you must also have few other skills, but yes, these are the major skills which you must have if you want to make your career into architecture and planning. Other than that, earning opportunities and growing opportunities, we are into this particular thing. I mean, we are into construction and building and infrastructure since long. So we always had a career prospect, and we always had a scope in this particular stream. But yes, there is a क्या बोल सकते हैं हम, एक लेवल की ग्रोथ है इसमें, एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज गो अहेड एंड चेक विद दैट. But yes, with the growing influence of government into infrastructure, you can surely see some growth in this particular stream as well. But it is on a इक्वल बेसिस, आई मीन ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है कि अचानक से ये फील्ड पैदा हो गई है या फिर अचानक से एक नया फील्ड कुछ इन्वेंट हो गया है जहाँ पे अचानक से बहुत सारा स्कोप डेवलप हो गया है. देयर वाज स्कोप अर्लियर ऑल्सो एंड नाउ इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो we will always have a scope of architectures and planners. Other than that, openness to the specially abled person. So this particular stream or this particular cluster is not very friendly to specially abled person, but yes, some people like acid attack victim or with someone who is with a mild disability can work in this particular stream. Now, if you talk about real life heroes in this particular stream, then we have Chitra Vishwanath, Nitya Raman, and Kishore Pardhan. So you can go ahead and check with that on Google on how they have worked and how they have increased their influence in this particular country. Now, talking about college universities offering that particular course, then in this particular area also there are a lot of colleges which are there and where you can make take admissions. But yes, depending upon the super specialization and specializations, again you have to select them very very smartly. So if you are really willing to understand what are the colleges, universities that can admit you as a person, then you can surely book a free consultation call with us and we will be happy to help you in that case. Other than that, if we talk about entrance exam and scholarships in this particular stream, then entrance exams we have NATA, JEE, JEE Advanced and specific college entrance exam. Most of the colleges are now using these national level exams, but yes, there are colleges which are giving their own entrance exam for permitting students into their institute. So make sure that you understand which college you want to target depending upon your locality and your target, and accordingly we can have a you can always have a prepare yourself for those entrance exams. So if you feel that you have some query or if you want to know more about this particular stream, you can go ahead and check with my other courses and other programs on my website, which is fashionyourhub.richagupta.com. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like it and share it to the one who is looking forward to this particular information. So bye bye, see you in the next video. Bye.